Welcome back to our explorations of Zeugma, one of the most beautiful cities of the ancient world, and famed across the globe for its fantastic mosaics. Located in the fertile lands of Anatolia, Zeugma is full of rich and fresh ingredients, ready to be turned into delicious dishes. Unsurprisingly, the region is still one of the most important centers of gastronomy in Anatolia. So I'm very excited to have the opportunity to cook an ancient recipe right here in Zeugma. This video was filmed at a distance that does not pose a risk to any cultural properties. I call this dish the bounty of the Euphrates. The first thing I'll do is to cook my crayfish. I'm adding some cilantro and some black pepper into my boiling water because they were beloved flavors during the Roman period. And some of the most famous artifacts from Zeugma are also from the Roman period. The seafood portion of my dish today is based on a mosaic of Oceanus and Tethys. Oceanus was the father of the seas and the rivers, so I think seafood is appropriate. I'll skewer my shrimp and then grill them. While my seafood is cooking, I can start on the second part of this dish, the fruit. The second part of this dish is based on another mosaic of Archaeological, who was the father of the Euphrates. And today, all of the fruit grown in the region is irrigated with the water from the Euphrates. For my fruit, I'm using green grapes, purple grapes, plums, figs, apples, and pomegranates. You can just roughly chop all of your fruit. I think my seafood is ready, so I can take them off the heat. In the 3rd century BC, here there were two cities called Seleucus and Apama. 200 years later, the cities were connected by a road or a bridge. In the same way that those two cities were connected, I'm actually connecting two separate dishes in my recipe today. I'm squeezing some lemon juice over my apples to keep them from browning. I've added all of my fruit, now I just need to give it a mix. My fruit and my seafood is ready, so now I can clear my table and get ready to serve. And our ancient recipe is ready. The bounty of the Euphrates. This video was filmed at a distance that does not pose a risk to any cultural properties. Just as Seleucus and Apama combined into one city, we've taken the bounty from the banks of the Euphrates and combined it with the animals that swim within. I had such a great time seeing and tasting Zeugma. We hope you enjoyed it as well. Thank you for joining Turkish Museums as we cook our way through the magnificent archaeological sites of Anatolia.